Did you know someone once sold the Eiffel Tower twice and got away with it? Meet Victor Lustig, the most daring con man in history. In 1925, Paris, Lustig hatched an incredible scheme. He posed as a government official and invited 5 scrap metal dealers to the fancy Hotel de Crillon. His story? The Eiffel Tower was too expensive to maintain and had to be torn down for scrap. The dealers believed every word. André Poisson, desperate to win the contract, even paid Lustig a massive bribe to guarantee his bid would succeed. Lustig took the money and vanished to Austria overnight. Here's the shocking part. Poisson was so embarrassed he never reported the crime, so Lustig came back and pulled the exact same con on different dealers. He literally sold the Eiffel Tower twice. Lustig's criminal career included counterfeiting operations across multiple countries, but his luck finally ran out and the Secret Service caught him. His success came from understanding human psychology. Victims were often too ashamed to admit they'd been fooled by such an audacious scam.